Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. This is Abir, founder of ProRealTech.
Today I will show you how to active SSL certificate on your domain. First of all, let's check the domain. The SSL is active or not. If I open the website 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃, as I can see, the SSL is active for the subdomain. Actually, this client created two different domains. They have one root domain which is 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃.com and another one apps.𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃.com. So as I can see, apps.𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃.com, the SSL is active. That's why it's showing you secured from the URL bar. So if I open the main root domain, then let's see. So as I can see, they're showing your connection is not private. That's why. So let's see. As I can see, the SSL is not active on this domain, on the main root domain. Okay, let's try to active the SSL through cPanel. So if I log in their cPanel, this hosting purchase from host.prorealtech.com. Basically, they provide free SSL for your domain. Okay, if I log in the cPanel, let's scroll down and click on domain. They have created two domains, one is root domain and second is apps.𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃. So by mistake they active their SSL on the second domain, on subdomain. That's why the main domain SSL doesn't active here, not active here. So let's active the SSL by another way. You know that there a service called Cloudflare. So we can get free SSL by using Cloudflare. Okay, let's go this process first. So if I open the cloudflare.com, then sign up. After that, I can see they have a free plan. So we need to active the SSL only. That's why we want to get the free plan at your website. Then it's asking some information like email and password. So let's use the email and password here. To fill this form, I have put as my email and password there. Let's click on sign up. Save it on your browser, and then it's showing you thank you for choosing Cloudflare. Let's edit the domain here. Before I edit the domain, let's check the email. As I can see, they sent us a verification email, so let's verify the email first. No subdomain here. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃, like enter an existing domain example.com, like this, 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃.com. Continue. Let's click on free, confirm plan. They will detect our DNS name server from our hosting. Quick scan. Add DNS record for 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃. Okay, click on quick scan. Okay, as I can see, they show me a error here. Okay, I think we have to update the name server from domain panel because the Cloudflare provide you two different DNS. So we have to copy those two DNS and put it on our domain backend name server. Let's continue. And then let's see, they said we have to update the name server. So copy the first one and go back on your domain. I have purchased this domain from Squarespace. let's log in the Cloudflare account from here. So as I can see, I have already logged here. So click on domain and click on the domain and click on DNS and domain name server. As I can see, we have update ns1.prorealtech.com, ns2.prorealtech.com. So we have to update this thing. Let's remove the DNS first. So let's update here from save. Let's copy the second one, edit and update. Okay, it's done. Let's reload this page. As you can see, it's done here. So let's go back on Cloudflare and then continue. If they found, they will scan your website again, and if they found the two DNS, then it will work. Let's continue. It's pending here. Register take up to 24 hours. Basically, it will take 1 to 2 hours to active the SSL, not 24 hours. Okay, let's continue the Squarespace overview. It's showing me pending. So I hope it will active as soon as possible, like within 1 or 2 hours. Check the name server now. Let's check the name server from here. It's checking. This is Cloudflare now checking the name server for 𝗵𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃. Please wait a few hours for an update. Let's reload this page here. So they are still checking. Within few hours, they will send you an email on your email. So you have to check your email first. So let's check the email. I think they active our account. Let's go back and you can see the Cloudflare is now active. Before it was our DNS server and now current this DNS server. So as I can see, it's active now. It's showing me pending. Let's reload this page. The status showing me active here. Alright, then let's go back in this domain and let's see the SSL is active or not. So I think we have a cookie on this browser. We have to check the website I was using incorrect browser here. Okay, it's working here. You can see the SSL is active on your main domain, root domain. Also, let's see the apps.ssl, apps.𝗵𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗃.com is also working. So it's done. So if you want to active your SSL through Cloudflare for free, then you can use Cloudflare. Also, if you need prorealtech.com and then click on service, then you can see the website domain and hosting. Just click there, it will redirect on our host page. So from here you can purchase our hosting plan. There are different plans you can choose. Thank you.